bamboo boat with my cousin and friend and other friend. And we're coming from Koh Samui Island, and we're going to Koh Madsum. We're heading over to another island. We're gonna go a little bit snorkeling, doing a little bit of I don't know, looking around, some water sports. It's really nice here. The water, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like greenish. Wait, let me go this side. More green, clear, beautiful. There's some mountains. And this is a holiday too, so a lot of people are here today and tomorrow, but not too bad, not too full. Really awesome. I'm very excited. I hope I don't get seasick, boat sick, whatever you want to call it.